Hello friends, it's me Saif Azhar Khan. I am going to Taste of London. This is the nearest underground station, Great Portland Street. This festival started today at Regent Park, London. This is very famous world class food festival. In London have more than 6,000 Indian restaurants and only 3 Indian restaurants get chance to participate this festival. So you can imagine how popular and famous this festival. I get down here the Great Portland Street underground station and I have to walk about 10 minutes to Taste of London spot. So this is the London's very posh area, very nice area, and is a Regent Park is very big and nice park. This is the gate of Regent Park entrance. I will walk from here. Is about 10 to 12 minutes. This area is very nice, neat and clean because it's posh area. So here road everything is very nice. In this festival come many celebrity from all over the world. So this is very important festival. I am continuously walking. Yeah, this site is Regent Park, but I have to walk more 6-7 minutes. This park is huge, very big parks. Here you can see the sign of Taste of London entrance. I'll follow this. I'm going first time. I don't know where is it, but I saw in the navigation, so I'm going by navigation. Now going to entrance the park. This is shortcut route. You know, in London have most Indian restaurant all over world. This is the record. Here people like very much Indian food, and most of English people is like chicken tikka masala. That's a national dish. Now I am entering inside of park. You can see the map. That's very big park and so many things is here. If you walk in the park one side to another side about 25 to 30 minutes you need to walk. So you can imagine how big this park. Many people coming here to work and relax all day. All over in the UK have many good parks and nicely well maintained. So many people come here to enjoy this. Government look after very nice. You can see this well maintained and designed grass and other things. You can see that behind of me this nice waterfall. Wow, really nice. It's very well maintained park and government is spending a lot of money. Now I am in Taste of London. You can see behind me the Cinnamon Club where I am working. It's a very famous group in London for Indian restaurant. They have many branches and Chef Vivek Singh, celebrity chef, is their CEO, executive chef. We serve very high standard fine dine food. It's Indian modern food. This is the Taste of France counter. They sell alcohol, many type of wine and many things. They are specialist for this. So I am proud to work in this event. It's really very nice and look nicely decorated counter. After an hours is so many guests came here and that time looks is different. So it's very nice festival. See how decorated. This is the Taste of France counter and so many counters here. This is the another counter is a hanging chair, so nicely decorated for guest. Wow, So nice. I'm working now with chef Vivek Singh, celebrity chef. He coming every Saturday in BBC Saturday Kitchen. He's very gentleman and my good friend. We worked together before come in UK. In Oberoi hotels we work together. This is our counter. You can see the Cinnamon Club. It's very established and very popular and famous restaurants. See this band, this is a proud, this is restaurant chef band. Once you come to work here, they will give this band and you have to keep this for 5 days till finish the restaurant. I'm in kitchen now. Yeah, it's other my colleague is working here. Yeah, everyone is busy. We will sell here only these 4 dishes. This is our signature dishes and this is our Taste of London team. Now get open for customer and I am going to make some dishes. This is rumali wrapped lamb and with mashed potato is in piping bag. Yeah, this is mashed potato. This mashed potato have butter, herbs, salt, sugar and some spices, very light spices. So and this you can see the in the plate that ran sauce. I'll put here rumali wrapped lamb. This is very popular dish in our restaurants. We are selling this here. Only 4 dishes will serve. And this is sirmal. Sirmal we serve on top of sirmal is a chicken sikh kebab. Kadai chicken sikh kebab. This one you can see. First we put sirmal, honey glaze sirmal, and on top the kadai sikh kebab. We make sikh kebab in tandoor and cut it small pieces and we can do just like kadai style. It's very tasty but we don't use much spices because English people doesn't like very much spice. So on top I'll put green chutney, coriander chutney. It's very nice combinations and any micro grass, any baby leaf, coriander grass or anything you can use, amaranth sometimes. Yeah, this chicken dish is ready. I'm waiting for lamb. Our all dishes is like modern Indian food. It's not authentic. Thus we use most of herbs. This is the lamb, rumali wrapped lamb. So nice dish and all the guest is like very much. I'll put on top is a pickled onion with beetroot and brown onion and pomegranate seed. That's a very nice one. That's ready. This is going for serve to customer. Going to make another dish. This is grilled pollock. On top we put it is prawns paste, spiced prawn paste. You can see that. And on the top I'll put is green mango and coconut chutney. Is very tasty chutney. Is very popular in our restaurants and micro crust. Any micro crust you can use. And this is ready for serve. Yeah, see this girl. Wow, so nice and working very hard. So I'm doing for her is a jackfruit kofta. This made by jackfruit and lotus root and coated with poppy seed and with tomato and lemon sauce. And top of this I'll put sweet tomato chutney. This is very good combination for this kofta. And microcrass, and you can use any baby leaf, microcrass or amaranth. I am putting here coriander grass. This is ready. Wow, this girls is very happy and going for service. Yeah, you can see our dish is kadai sikh kebab on sirmal bread and this is rumali roti wrapped lamb. This is very nice dish and this is grilled pollock with prawn paste. And this is our very signature dish, jackfruit and lotus root kofta. This is our star team. You can see everyone is here star. Our CEO and executive chef Vivek Singh, that's celebrity chef. with other all the staff, chef and service staff. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.